Hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. My name is Favor. Right here we'll talk about forex and every other thing you need to know about forex, how to trade on it and every other stuff. So today we'll be looking at the GPP USD dollars on a 30 minutes time frame. So from this chart we will see that it's kind of moved down in a downtrend thanks to this beautiful bearish candle right there, this beautiful bearish candle. Now I had this horizontal line placed here because this was the next support level, and I was like, let me see if it's gonna hit that horizontal line, and it hits the horizontal line. So I was like, is it gonna start going up, or would it break the horizontal line and hit the next support level at this second horizontal line? So I had my horizontal line placed there, and I was waiting to see if it was going to cross below. So let's see. And yeah, it crossed below. It crossed below and it hit my next horizontal support level. So I was like, is it going to keep breaking down to form another support level? And it did not. Instead, it started rising. So if we want to trade on this market change, we have to be very, very careful. First of all, we already have our horizontal line at the next support level, which it hits. And we wanted to know if it was going to break below and retest this same horizontal line to become a resistance. Definite. And when it does that, we believe that it's going to keep selling. But it did not. Instead, it hits it and started rising. So let's say we want to trade on this beautiful market. First of all, if we look at the stochastic right here, we'll see that it was making higher highs. While on our chart we had lower low. We had lower low here, here, and here. But on our stochastic, we had higher high here and here, signifying that the market is about to change. But we will not enter this market immediately. Instead, we have to wait. If I wanted to trade on this market, I would definitely want it to cross this point. Yeah, because this is a more valid level for me if I want to trade it. So let's see what the market did. The market hits a horizontal line. It started forming higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, and boom, it crossed a horizontal level. Yeah, it crossed it and made it a support level. So let's see what the market did. The market kept playing around that level. It kept playing around this level. It could not break below it. It couldn't break below it to make it a resistance. Instead, the horizontal level kept holding it as a real strong support. It kept hitting the level but couldn't break down. It couldn't break down. You can see how many touches it have on it, and it started skyrocketing. So this was a strong support level. So seeing that it was hitting it and it couldn't break down, actually if I wanted to trade on this, I'll definitely trade when I see a retest on that level. This is a good retest. This is a good retest. This is also a retest. This is also a retest. Mind you, it's not every trade that you take that could be a success. That doesn't mean probably you didn't analyze it well. The market could change anytime. But if you make your analysis real good, then you really don't have to be scared about anything at all. Okay? So that's on that. All right, so let me say I wanted to trade on this market. I'll definitely trade on this market at this point because for me, I see a retest level at that point. So let me say I traded on this market and the market was doing all the stuff it was doing, the stuff it was doing. And at this point, it started rising. All right. So since I decided to trade, I definitely had my take profit here. And my stop loss was around here. I had my stop loss around here. This is where I had my stop loss and I had my take profit around here. And beautifully, it hits my take profit. We can see the horizontal line there. It hits my take profit. I actually put this here because this was the next point I was expecting from our previous chart. So that is how you trade on this. Now, if you wanted to continue this chart as it's right here, you have to wait to see if it crosses above and retest on the horizontal line. Did it do that? Yeah, it did. It did, and then it hits here again. Maybe this is another top. But anyway, that's just how you trade on this. So you have to be really careful. I always advise that you, before you make any trades, you have to wait for the thing to hit the support level, retest it, and then you could look for a perfect entry with the candles telling you helping you out. That is for if it's in the bullish market, and if it's in a bearish market, you have to wait for a retest at the resistance level, and then look for a beautiful entrance from the candles, or go to a lower time frame like the 3 minutes or the 5 minutes or the 10 minutes to look for breakouts in patterns before you can now enter the market. So with that said, I think that's all for today. I'm going to come up again with another tutorial or another section on this. Do have a lovely day.